Welcome to Shomach Shav on the Daf. Shir sponsor Lunishma Sam Biakasholem Leah Basitzchok. We're holding it Sanhedrin Daf Samichvov. And the end of Amud Aleph, the Gemara brings a Machlekes Rabbi Shmuel and Rabbi Akiva. When it says Elokim loy sechalel, is referring to Chol, is referring to a Dayon. It means Elohim Loshon of the Dayon, or it's Kodesh, is referring to a Kodesh Baruch Hu. According to Rabbi Shmuel, is the Elohim over here is Chol. According to Rabbi Akiva, it's Kodesh. Rabbi Reuven Margolios sends us to what he wrote in Daf Lamed Ches Amud Beis Leil, because the Girsa Masechet Soifrim, there's a few Girsas in Masechet Soifrim regarding this machlekes, and the Girsa of the Vilna Gaon is like we have, but the original Girsa of Masechet Soifrim, it says there that Shimon Omer Kodesh doesn't even bring a machlekes. The Nachas Yaakov on Masechet Soifrim, he says, he brings in the name of the Agudah that the one who says Kodesh is Rabbi Shmuel. So Rav Reuven Margolios understands, according to Nachas Yaakov, he just has the opposite Girsa from our Gemara. Not that Rabbi Shmuel said Chol and Rabbi Akiva said Kodesh, but the opposite. Rabbi Akiva said Chol and Rabbi Shmuel said Kodesh. Says Rav Reuven Margolios, that fits very much that Rabbi Akiva l'shitase. Why? Because the Gemara Leil Daf Lamed Ches Amud Beis says that it says in the pasuk in Daniel that there's two cheers in Shemaim, the Karsava and Ramyu. So what does it mean? Why it's two cheers? So it says the Gemara, Achas loy v'achas laDavid. Divrei Rabbi Akiva. Rabbi Akiva said that one cheers for him, one cheers for David HaMelech. So came Rabbi Yosi and told him, Akiva, ad masa et ois Shechina Chol. Till when you make Shechina Chol that you have a cheer for David HaMelech next to the Shechina? So says Rav Reuven Margolios, what does it mean ad mosai? Ad mosai, until when you're Rabbi Akiva, you're comparing a human being to a Kodesh Baruch Hu. Says Rabbi Akiva l'shitase. He says when it says the word Elohim, it refers to a Dayan. Meaning you use a name which belongs to a Kodesh Baruch Hu, and you refer to a Dayan. He says there's another example to it. The Gemara in Baba Kama, the Gemara in Psachim, that says that Shimon HaMusani, he was dashing all the Eis in the Torah. The minute he got to Eis Hashem Lokecha Tiro, said, what is Eis Hashem Lokecha Tiro? What does it come to me, Rabbi? Who is added to a Kodesh Baruch Hu? So he was Pirish, he stopped dashing the Esim Shabbat Torah. Came Rabbi Akiva and says, no, Es Hashem Lokecha Tiro, L'Rambus Tamini Chachamim. So you see that Rabbi Akiva, l'shitaso, he is connecting human beings to the Kedusha of HaKadosh Baruch Hu in a more easier way. So it makes a lot of sense that in our sugya, when we're saying he brings the girsa that we have in Masechet Soifrim, makes a lot of sense. According to Rabbi Shmuel, it says Elokim means only Hashem. But according to Rabbi Akiva, Elohim can mean a dayan using the name of Hashem for a dayan. And this is a he'ora nifla me'oid, and it fits very much to what we know, Midivri Rabbi Seinu, to Rabbi Akiva. He had a shayches to a much higher level of Kedusha than anybody else. That's why it says Rabbi Akiva's Doirish Kisrei Oisirs. He not only saw the letters, but he saw how the letters connect to above. The Ksarim on the Oisirs, the crowns on the letters, connect the letters to a higher sphere. So Rabbi Akiva is in this world, but he's connected to a much higher place. But one nikuda maybe that we can say a little different than Reuven Margolios, according to our Girsa. You could say that our Girsa also fits with this Mahalach very much. Because the Pashup Shah in the Pasuk, what is the Pasuk saying? Elokim loy sekalel, v'nosi be'amcho loy sor. So if you just take the Pshat of the Pasuk, as Mashra, you're not talking about HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Because it says nosi be'amcho, it's talking about a king. So Elokim refers to Pashup Shah to a dayan. According to our Girsa, Kozer Rabbi Akiva says, even though the Pashup Shah is talking about a human being, but even when you talk about a human being, you can refer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It could be Kodesh, even though the Pashup Shah and the Pasuk is a human being. Because a human being can connect to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. As the Gemara that the Rav Reuven Margolios mentioned. Es Hashem Kechatira L'Rambus Tamid Chachamim. The Chachamim could be an extension of the Shechina. So when you're referring to a dayan, I could refer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. I could say, the Pashup Shah, I talk about a dayan, but I'm going to say Elokim L'Sekal, referring to Hashem. So Adrabah, because Rabbi Akiva extends the Kedusha of HaKadosh Baruch Hu to human beings down in the world, that's why he can say Elokim is Kodesh, even though the Pashup Shah is speaking about a dayan. So in other words, this he'ora nifla of Reuven Margolios, not only you don't have to change the girsa to do it, but Adrabah, the girsa that we have works with it very well, and that's the girsa of the Vilna Gaon in Masechet Soifrim as well. Anyone who wants to join the Shomach Shava email list, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.